Hi everybody, welcome to Veganuary Day 1. So, a big tradition around the world, I suppose, is, but I think it started in the south of the United States, is to have black-eyed peas and greens on the first day of the year. It's good luck.
I've heard of this.
And it's also good for you. So why don't you take over? We're about to go for a first day hike. Yes, I'm still in my pajamas. It's only going to take me a minute to get dressed. But I'm doing my own version of Hoppin' John today. It's what I have in the house. So I put in red onion, the black-eyed peas.
Kale.
What?
Kale.
Well, I didn't put that in yet.
I put in some.
Yeah, I'm going to put in this bag of kale that's pee-peeing all over my butcher block. I have green pepper. Instead of sausage, I'm going to use this Impossible sausage.
Oh.
And I put in some carrots because I really like carrots. In fact, I was just snacking on some. And let's see, we're going to have it over rice and quinoa. I'm going to mix it together because we've been doing that lately and it's been so delicious to have a little bit of extra protein with the rice instead of just being straight rice.
Also on a insulin factor scale thing, I think is better.
Yeah, plus more protein.
Yeah.
So I think I'm also going to throw in a bouillon cube. And hopefully it'll be ready by the time we get back from our hike. So we'll check back in at the hike. Don't step in the mud. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, right here.
You're welcome.
They replaced the benches,
Yeah.
Yeah, they look new.
but no roof.
No.
It didn't take them long to tag them.
Yeah.
First day hike, baby.
Woo.
Are you staying for dinner for Hoppin' John?
I don't know. Maybe I'll have a little bite to eat.
All right.
I'm tired. I was playing Hostess last night.
Yes.
Oh, I see a doggy over there.
Oh,
Looks like a golden or something.
how nice. Yeah, it does look like a golden over there.
So type.
You having a good time?
Yes.
It is cold, but it's a good hike.
Well, that Hoppin' John's going to be delicious when we get home then. It'll be almost ready
Okay.
because I just got to make some quinoa.
Sounds good.
All right, it's not only doggy drink time, it's dinner time. So we just got back from the hike about an hour ago. And I put on my rice and quinoa and it's now ready.
Quinola.
Yes, quinola.
I'm so cold.
Really? I'm
Yeah.
not too bad right now. This will warm you up though.
I'm sure. Right, Bowie?
We-
Ooh, looks good.
Yes.
Loving the quinoa.
Yes.
Wonderful.
That hike was great.
It was a good hike. Yeah, it wasn't
Yeah.
too crowded,
Mm-hmm.
but there were some people there.
Yes, that were loud. I thought the whole point of going out into nature was enjoying the silence.
And also, you see those people that are like speed walking, like.
Why don't you just stop and smell the roses, kids?
Everybody's got their own.
I guess so. Maybe they're there all the time. Maybe they live there. I don't know. All right.
You don't know. You don't know their lives.
So I feel like the Hoppin' John turned out pretty good. It was ready when we got home.
Looks good.
Except we had to wait to have the rice.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it's got black-eyed peas, kale, red onion.
It looks hearty.
It is very hearty. It's got some garlic in there.
I wonder if there's a bubble. Didn't you fill this before?
I just filled it when we got home.
Oh.
I just touched this to my face by accident, like Robert.
Yes, it shouldn't be.
Everybody loves
It shouldn't be too
Well, I
hot.
was testing it.
Yeah.
Mmm.
All right.
Delicious.
Looks like a winner, baby.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year and happy Veganuary. All right, so that's day 1. I'm pretty sure I'm putting up the Trader Joe's haul tomorrow.
Fun. And we gotta get going on some new
I know, because we had
recipe videos and stuff.
we haven't given it a thought.
I know.
Not one.
We're gonna be flying by the seat of our vegan pants this one.
But you know what? That's the great thing about vegan. Like, if you just have all of the stuff,
Yeah.
like the beans and greens and grains, you set.
The opportunities
That's all you
are
need.
endless.
Yes, and so are the recipes. Enjoy.
You
We'll
too.
see you tomorrow for Veganuary, and until then, much love.